Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Now, if there's one thing I wish that someone could have sat me down and explained to me years ago, then it's this. Wealth is not just built by finding one lucky idea. Wealth grows when you strategically build one skill that leads to another, and then that one will lead to another. And it's like stepping stones across a river instead of endlessly leaping to a new ground and starting over. And it took me years of experimenting, failing, refining, and scaling before I realized this simple truth. There is no single magic business model. There are only skills that compound if you build them intentionally and you stack them in the right order. You see, most people try 10 things halfway, they switch lanes every few months, never realizing that starting over means losing momentum. And I did that. Then my life completely changed the moment I stopped asking which business model should I start next and started asking how do I build something that increases my earning power for every opportunity that comes after this one. That mindset is everything. I call it income stacking. And if you understand it now, you will move faster than you ever did before. And the business you build today might only bring in, let's say, $2,000 a month right now, but that business could be the exact foundation that you use to launch the business that earns you $20,000 and eventually $50,000 and even more than that. What I'm about to break down for you are the 4 most powerful income streams that you can build in 2026, ranked not only by how profitable they can be, but also how well they stack into each other. The very first one will be Printful, and that's going to be the backbone of everything. It's the income stream I would build first if I lost everything tomorrow, because it teaches you product creation, it'll teach you marketing, and it'll teach you how to get your first sale online without needing inventory, warehouses, web design skills, or large startup capital. Printful also gives you the easiest entry point into e-commerce, which is the first place I began making real money, and more importantly, it sets the stage for every income stream that comes later. So listen closely. If you commit to every one of these income streams this year, especially the first one, your life can completely change in 12 months from now. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. You guys have heard me talk about this so many times, but Printful is without question the single most practical and scalable income stream for a beginner entering 2026. You can earn a few $1,000s a month or even $10,000 a month, and with consistent effort, I have seen people scale print on demand into 6 figures and even 7-figure operations. The reason Printful sits at the top of this list is simple. It requires almost no startup capital, no warehouse, no bulk inventory, and no shipping labor. You're not sewing shirts or screen printing on hoodies in your garage. You're building real products from t-shirts to hoodies to hats to mugs, and Printful handles everything behind the scenes. You create and they fulfill. Just imagine going from no business experience at all to owning your own clothing brand or your own accessory brand or even your own digital storefront without needing to buy inventory up front. The barrier to entry could not be lower, and unlike most businesses that demand years of technical development before your first sale, Printful lets you launch in days. You design, upload, push live, and your product exists in the marketplace across platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even Amazon. Customers purchase, Printful prints and ships, and your brand becomes real the moment someone receives that package with your design on it. This is why I emphasize Printful so heavily. If you need a business that trains you how to think like an entrepreneur, how to build real operational skills, and generate income without complex infrastructure, then this is it. The person who learns how to create and sell through Printful learns market psychology, pricing strategy, branding, visual design language, offer positioning, niche selection, and customer experience. These are not small skills. These are the skills that make millionaires. Now, let's talk numbers for a moment. A beginner who approaches Printful like a hobby might earn a few $100s a month, but a beginner who approaches Printful like a business, who learns niche selection, who builds strong product images, or who posts consistently can reach $1,000 to $3,000 a month surprisingly fast. And the ceiling doesn't stop there. The more products you publish, the more search traffic that your listing accumulates, the more repeat customers that you gain, the more your business compounds. Now, if you want to learn how to create your own custom designs using AI tools, I have a full step-by-step video that breaks down the entire process, and it even shows you how to set up your Shopify Shopify store in just one day. I've also put together a print-on-demand playlist so you can follow everything in order and follow along as you go. And if Printful is the platform you want to start with, there's a link down in the description that will help you get set up today. After Printful, the most logical next step is digital products. Think templates, planners, workout programs, Lightroom preset packs, branding kits, maybe even children's educational worksheets, anything deliverable instantly through a file. Digital products are powerful because you're no longer limited to production cost, and you make a product just one time and it can sell an infinite number of times without materials or fulfillment expenses. Printful teaches you how to market tangible products. Digital products let you do the same thing without the overhead cost. So if Printful trains the muscle, then digital products will expand its strength. You can host them on Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, Payhip, or even your own site. The market demand for digital downloads has exploded every single year, especially as people look for fast, creative resources, business tools, and time-saving templates. In 2026, digital products will continue to explode because more people are becoming creators, entrepreneurs, and hobbyists at home. Now, let's talk earning capacity. The floor for digital products is similar to Printful. A beginner can start earning a couple $100 to a couple $1,000s a month without paid ads, purely by learning how to make desirable solutions. Even for me, I've done it myself. I made a resource hub on my website for digital products and ebook downloads, and that has made me well over 6 figures. Because unlike physical products, margins are nearly 100% profit. And unlike physical products, customers buy again and again because fulfillment is instant. Digital product sellers routinely scale to 5 figures a month with lean operations and little risk. The reason this stream is number 2 instead of number 1 is simple. Digital products require a sharper sense of market needs. Printful lets you test designs immediately without technical product creation. But once you learn customer behavior, digital downloads become your second engine. They stack on top of Printful seamlessly using the same marketing skills you already built. This is the pattern. Skills stacks, revenue stacks, and now your earning capacity will rise. Once you learn how to make products and generate sales, content becomes your amplifier. Content takes everything that you know and it casts it to an audience that can buy from you every single day, even while you're sleeping. Some people get this confused, but content is not about going viral. Content is about being discoverable. A TikTok about your Printful sweatshirts can bring sales tomorrow, but a YouTube tutorial teaching how your design merch could bring customers for years. A short product demo can live online forever, generating income long after you upload that video. And I know people worry a lot about appearing online. They worry about judgment, lighting, their voice, editing, but none of that matters nearly as much as being consistent. Look, you guys can build a faceless channel. You can do a voiceover page, a screen record tutorial style, or a product showcase account, or a narrative documentary style brand. There really is no rule that says your face must be on camera, but what matters is this: when people learn from you, they will buy from you. When people trust you, they purchase your products. When you teach through content, your business grows automatically. With content, income becomes multi-dimensional. You earn from product sales, you earn from digital products, you earn from sponsorships, you can also earn from affiliate commissions. And yes, you can earn from platform monetization as well. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all pay creators directly, not with lottery-style viral checks, but with ongoing monetization tied to consistent viewership. Look, you can make $1,000 a month from ads, you can even do $10,000, or some people even make $100,000. But the real financial power of content is not the ad revenue. The real financial power is leverage. So if your Printful store sells 2 sweatshirts per week, now your content can turn that into 200 sales a week. The goal of content is not to get famous. The goal is to get watched by people who want what you create. And once you build that ecosystem, income number 4 becomes unstoppable. 3 income streams have now been stacked. You have Printful producing physical product sales, you have digital downloads creating high margin revenue, and then you have content bringing traffic to every link that you own. Now we unlock the income stream that requires the least work once built, and that's going to be your affiliate income. Affiliate income means getting paid when someone purchases a product that you recommend. You don't handle support, you don't handle fulfillment, you simply refer customers to tools that help them succeed and tools that you genuinely use yourself. Imagine you teach Printful tutorials on TikTok, or you share your favorite mockup software or your favorite design tools. When a viewer signs up using your link, you'll earn a commission. And since people sign up daily, you get paid daily. Affiliate income becomes your first source of reoccurring revenue. You could upload content once and that video could pay you for years without any additional work. Brand sponsorships are the extension of this as well. So once your content grows, brands will pay you upfront to talk about them instead of just being a commission per sale. They'll pay per video or per post. Some pay $500, some even pay $50,000. It really depends on your audience, your niche, and your influence. But when all 4 income streams are active, no single stream controls your financial stability. If one product slows down, maybe affiliates will fill it. Maybe content drops one month, but Printful digital sales keep flowing. Maybe your sponsorships pause. You still own a business that will function. Most people chase income, but you're going to be building an engine. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I recommend that you look at these 4 streams very closely. Look at Printful, look at digital products, look at content plus sponsorship revenue, and then also look at the brand partnerships. They are not isolated, they are sequential. Each one makes the next one easier. So start with Printful, learn how to sell, use that skill to create digital products, and then use that experience to make content, and then use your content to generate affiliate and sponsorship revenue. This is the blueprint. It's not theoretical. It's practical, repeatable, and scalable. And 5 years from now, someone will look back on 2026 and they'll realize this was the year that changed everything. Someone will learn Printful today and they'll earn their first sale next month. Someone will build a digital library of products, someone will start posting consistently, and someone will build an audience and earn sponsorships, sell courses, and create brands. They'll even quit their job and reshape their entire life. There is absolutely no reason that person cannot be you. You do not need permission to do any of this stuff. All you have to do is take action. Once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and you have a wonderful day.